All right, happy Wednesday. We are moving on to day 17. So we're continuing with proportional versus non-proportional. As you remember, proportional, think to yourself what that word means, how we decide if a graph is proportional. So we're focusing on if it goes through the origin. So when we're looking at a table, we're looking for the coordinates of the origin. What are the coordinates of the origin? 0, 0. So all we're doing is we're looking in the table and you're looking to where you see x equals 0. In this case, is y also 0? No, 0, 0 is not a point. So this would cross at b equals 10. So is it proportional? No. It does not go through 0, 0. Okay, moving on to number 2. Again, we are looking here, does it go through the origin? So looking at number 2, finding the x value of 0, the y value is also 0. So is it proportional? Yes. And we know because the line goes through the origin. All right, so that's how we look from a table. Again, we're looking for 0, 0. If you see 0, 0, then it goes through the origin, so it is proportional. All right, following that same concept, we're going to look at, we're going to look at equations now. So again, if it goes through the origin, it means it has a b value of 0, and it's proportional. Looking at number 3, our b value right here, our b value in this case is -6. So is this proportional? No, because the b value is not 0. Again, that's all we're looking for, a b value of 0. So number 4, looking at the b value, well, you notice there's nothing here. If there's nothing there, that tells us our b is 0. So is it proportional? Yes, because the b value is 0. All right, nice job. So we have done looking at a table, looking at equation. Now we're going to look at a graph. Again, looking through that b value of 0. So you're looking here where the line crosses the y-axis, the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept of number 5? You can see it crosses at +1. So is it proportional? No, because the line does not go through the origin. Okay, number 6. Again, you're looking where it crosses the y-axis. It goes right through the center. So our b value is 0. So stop and think to yourself, is that proportional? Yes. The line goes through the origin. You can say 0, 0 or the origin. All right, let's move on. Number 7. Number 7 is more of a review. We have done this first. So we're going to write the equation, but before we do that, we want to identify m and b. So I always like to start with my m value. My b value. Y-intercept. This crosses the y-axis at what number? Crosses at +3. So my b is 3. Now we need to find another perfect point. So look for another perfect point, and I see 2 perfect points. You can choose either. I'm going to choose this one right here at 5, 1. And then you're deciding. So the blue is farther to the left, so I'm going to start at the blue. To go from blue to pink, I have to go down first. So since we went down, it's negative. So down 2. And I'm going to the right. Think about how many are going to the right. Going to the right, 5. So my m value is negative 2 over 5. All right, we have m, we have b. Let's put it together in an equation. Y equals, in place of m, I'm putting my negative 2/5. My b value is positive 3, so plus 3. Okay. Last question. This time, we are given 2 sets of coordinates, and we need to find the slope, the y-intercept, and then write the equation. So first things first, I have 3. I'm going to rewrite my coordinates. Okay. In my numerator, we always start with our y's. I want my change in y. So I'm going to do negative 6 minus negative 1. That's my numerator. My denominator, my change in x's, 4 minus 3. Negative 6 minus 1, minus negative 1, I apologize. Those turn into a plus. So negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. So negative 5 over 1 is equivalent to negative 5. All right, so I'm going to bring my y-intercept over I just solved for. And then I need an x and a y value. It doesn't matter which set of coordinates you choose. I'm just going to choose to use this first set right here. So my x value is 3. My y value is negative 1. Okay, in the equation, y equals mx plus b. Now you're going to substitute each of those parts. So y is negative 1. Then we have x is 3. And we have m is negative 5. So I have, again, y is negative 1. M is negative 5. X is positive 3. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. You need b by itself, so you're going to take the opposite of negative 5. The opposite of negative 15. I need to add 15 to both sides, because negative 15 plus 15 will be 0. And add 15 over here. Negative 1 plus 15 is positive 14. All right, last piece. All right, we found m. We found b. Now let's put it together in our equation. And y equals negative 5x plus 14. All right, you can move on to your independent. I hope you all have a wonderful day.